Edit your way to profit with the new batch editing tools. Make repetitive manual detailing a real thing of the past by combining the Tekla Structural Designer rebar link, the design data, and the new batch editing feature. You may have noticed the ability to import either native reinforcement, meaning Tekla will detail for you based on the design, or import these as a reference. This is a key feature if you're sharing designs with other stakeholders. Using the IFC exports, you can now represent the design as a 3D interactive model that cannot be changed, but has all the relevant details such as size, space, grade, and much more. You can view this data in a number of ways, but the fastest is using the Inquire. You can see there all of the basics, including the Tekla Structural Designer fabrication information. Using the rebar sets in Tekla means you can quickly replicate the detail or make appropriate changes. The rebar sets are fast, intuitive, and highly malleable. Rebar sets are intelligent and understand their relativity to other objects. Reading the cover values from Tekla Structural Designer, the sets then automatically layer. Using the IFC as a reference has outstanding advantages when detailing. You can spot clashes and areas of concern well before putting mouse to model, or ensure the bars are perfectly relative to their designed counterparts. When you're done with the specific area, you can easily turn the IFC off and continue to move to other areas. You're changing the details from the original design. It's been verified and now you're ready to make the changes. There's no need to delete and detail all, or even select the object to find the others and then copy them around. You now have the power of the batch editor. The editor works on assemblies and finds identical or similar objects. Not only does it find them, it'll tell you what's different. And again, harnessing the power of data transfer, the batch editor can read the design groups from Tekla Structural Designer and show you which details go where. From there, with a single click, you're copying all around the model and making sure your details are exactly the same.